Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from Prince Customs. Yeah, let's take a look, see what we have today. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Prince Customs knife. This is the Protean. Wonderful, wonderful knife, one of my favorite grail knives I have. So, Prince Customs, maybe from my Prince Customs? We'll find out. Alright, so there's a receipt. I'm going to take that out. Alright, so what we have today is a clip that might go with this knife. So we're going to install that. Let's see what it is. Let me take my paper clip off. So this is going to go on here. All right, so let me get my stuff. All right, so we're going to go ahead and start installing this. I have to clean off my mat and get it all ready. First thing we're going to do is take the knife apart. And we're dealing with T10s, I think. Let's double check that again. Here's the T10. Maybe T15. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, T15. And it's 2, so we don't need that. And then the other ones are T8s, I'm pretty sure. There we go. Wow, having a hard time seeing that. That's crazy. I think I was blind. Over there. Oh, here, let's go ahead and clean that off real quick. Just a little bit of oil over here. Now we'll keep a hold of the old clip because it's always nice to have just in case. Put this away. All right, so we're back. All right, so here's the old clip, titanium, really beautiful, nice. Really do like that a lot. And this is the new clip right here, made by Prince Customs, by Princeton himself. As you can see, full Damascus, beautiful, beautiful coloring, matter of fact, really gorgeous. So here we are, and now to be able to use it left-handed, absolutely beautiful. So there we go. Really, really digging that. Definitely a big upgrade as far as knife goes. I mean, yeah, you could do a whole bunch of other stuff, like a backspacer and other things, but I do like that a lot. That looks really, really nice. Yeah, for sure. Beautiful. Love that. Okay. All right, very good. Well, let's take a quick look at it so you guys can see it. Kind of enjoy that. So here's the Damascus clip. Get you some different angles. You can see that from the side there. Get back here as well. Up here. Look at it in the whole handle right here like this. With the whole blade, right? Let's zoom out so you can see it like this. I think it's really gorgeous. I like it. Hopefully I'm getting a good image. You're able to see this well. Try to get some good light on there. Even with my studio lighting here, sometimes it's hard to capture, right? So you guys can see that. Maybe like this. See that? Maybe a little bit. That, I don't know. Anyways, I think it's gorgeous. I'm very happy with it. Definitely an upgrade to this knife. It does put this knife into the much higher end category, because stuff like that is definitely extra. It definitely adds to your cost of a knife for sure. So to me, it's worthwhile. For some people, maybe, some others may not. But I like a little splash of Damascus, not overly all over the place, but to me, a clip is just really a nice way to do that. It's very subtle, right? So anyways, and it still works. Clip is exactly the same, so it still has the exact same action and usability that I had before, which I love about this knife. So very cool, very cool. I'm digging it. All right, so that is the Prince Customs Damascus deep pocket carry clip. I don't know, you guys get one of these, or what do you think about it? Let me know. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button down below? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps out the channel, allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, enjoys the content, who watches, who comments, who's part of the live stream. I appreciate you so very much. Thank you. And if you haven't already, maybe hit that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content. And a big shout out to all my channel members. Thank you. Thank you for supporting the channel, being there, encouraging me from the very beginning to now. I'm humbled. There are times when I thought I wasn't sure I could keep doing this, but with you guys, I am. And I appreciate that. Not only that, you guys are so generous. You've been so generous to the channel. I want to be generous back to you because you allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to do. You allow me to continue to do weekly giveaways and stuff. So I'll do a once a month exclusive members giveaway to all my channel members. You're a channel member, you're eligible. And usually it's not just a little budget knife, right? It's a nicer knife, you know, definitely something I hope everyone is interested in. So check out that if you're interested. Also brand new channel members, I'd like to give every one of you a channel member sticker if you haven't gotten one already, and a little note to say thank you. Been a channel member all along, and you're a member right now, or you were a member before and you became a member again and you're a member right now, and you've never asked me for a channel member sticker, I'd love to mail you guys one too. So email me with your name and address as well, if you wouldn't mind. That way I can send you a sticker, and thank you. Hey, I appreciate you guys so very much. If you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week.